All right, so we are in the model home. So I want you guys to check this out. All right, so this is the one of the bathrooms. The storage closet. All right, so this is the living space here. There's going to be carpeted floors, and this is staged so you can get an idea of what it could look like with furniture. Kind of expand your imagination a little bit, kind of give you an idea of what it would look like. Storage closet. All right, so we got hardwood floors on the staircase, and these townhomes are going from a price range of $475 to $550. Again, this is in the Sugar Hill area, so that's the front door here. All right, so that was the basement, lower level living space. This is the main level when you come in through the front door. So it has the open floor plan. Hardwood floors on the main open floor plan. Here's your dining room space. Stainless steel appliances, so we have the conventional oven and the convection oven, the stacked ovens. Here's your cabinet space. Kind of matches the floors. I like that, the contrast between the backsplash, the white backsplash with the herringbone design and the darker wood of the cabinets. Oversized island with the sink in the middle. Dishwasher. Here's your sink, refrigerator. And then here's your living space here with the gas fireplace. So again, it's all an open floor plan. All an open floor plan. Plenty of lighting. We have the can lights on top. We have lights over the island, and then lights, chandelier over the dining space, ceiling fan. We have a patio. We have a little study space over here. You make that an office, or if you have children, that could be a nice study space. Here's your powder room, half bath. Like I said, I like the fact that it's staged, so you get a really good idea of what it could the potential of what it could look like. So here's bedroom number one. It's a decent sized bedroom. Your closet over there. Bedroom two. Here's your bathroom. With your standard tub shower combination. Your linen closet. A little bit of a loft space there. Here's your laundry room here. So it's big enough to have wash and dryer side by side. Closet storage space on the upper level. Here's the owner suite with the elevated ceiling. And it looked like there are speakers in the ceiling as well. So you have surround sound in the rooms in the owner suite. How cool is that? And there are upgrade options. Have the dual sinks, the stand-up shower, gray towel, gray beige towel, toilet in a separate room. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Here's your closet, walk-in closet. It's a decent sized walk-in closet. All right, that is it. So it is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's a 2-car garage. Again, this is in Sugar Hill. Price range is going for $475 to $550. They do have some incentives going on right now until September 30th, covering, if you use their preferred lender, covering the closing costs up to $20,000. So that could be an option if you do use their preferred lender. This is right off of Buford Highway. So if you're interested in the area, it's right up the street from the Mall of Georgia. It's right up the street from the Swanee Town Center. So there's plenty of things to do around here. Quick access to the Interstate 85, 985 as well. Very nice community. I actually live not too far from here, literally right around the corner. Really nice community, very family oriented. So if you're interested, you're looking for a townhome, reach out to me. I can represent you as the buyer. Mario.Jordan, Mario.Jordan at exprealty.com, or go to my website, dreamhomesatl.com. All right, y'all have a great day. Have a great Saturday.